Dear friends, today I am making a kind of digression, and that digression is another item which has been incorporated in the ensuing competitive examinations. And this topic is basically homonym, Homonym, homonym. This is a very simple concept, very clear concept. There is no much difficulty, no much complicacy, no much intricacy at all. Simply you have to generate vocabulary in your life. As a language learner, as a speaker, as a student, or as an adult, every time, you must do one exercise always. You must go through the dictionary and cultivate words and words. Words, they matter in the world. Words matter in the world. So as far as this homonym concept is concerned, very simple concept it is. Homonyms have two branches. One branch is homophones, second branch is homographs. One branch is homophones, second branch is homograph. Together, blend of these branches is called homonym. Now let us discuss in detail homophones. Note these two words, M-A-D, M-A-I-D. Made, made. L-O-A-N, loan, loan. Sell, sell. See the distinctive feature of these two words. First, they have the different spellings. It is quite clear in these two words, spellings are varied. They are different, quite different they are. But their pronunciation is uniform, it is the same. And their meaning is almost different. For example, M-A-D, made, it is second form of make. Something which has been made. For example, Marconi made radio. Blacksmith made a weapon. This is M-A-I-D, maid. It means a lady servant. She is working as a maid in my house. ये नौकरानी होती है, female नौकरानी. L-O-N, loan. I am penniless. Loan actually means land. I am penniless, please loan me 10 rupees. The bank has sanctioned a loan of 1 lakh to me. This is another word, L-O-N-E, loan. Another spelling quite different from the loan, L-O-A-N, and is L-O-N-E. Loan means solitary. तन्हा, alone. कोई आदमी तन्हा रहता है. Lone is a lone son, means soul, S-O-L-E, soul. Akela, I am lone son of my father. So quite different, lone, कर्जा लेना, or lone, तन्हा. Solitary, akela. It is a lone answer of this question. You see the quite varied this meaning. However, the pronunciation is uniform. It is identical. Spelling is different. Even meaning is quite different. Now see, C-E-L-L, sell. S-E-L-L, sell. Sell, कोई चीज़ बेचना, किसी को देना. I have gold. I have sold my gold. I am selling my gold. In the same way, CL, cell. You see battery cells are nowadays. We have another word, course, course. C-O-U-R-S-E, course, C-O-A-R-S-E, course. First course is syllabi of your examinations. Second word is C-O-A-R-S-E, course. Suppose you find a bad man, a vulgar man, a kamina आदमी. His language is always coarse. या जीन पहनते हो आप, जो क्लॉथ इसमें होता है, क्लॉथ इसमें होता है, कपड़ा जो हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, इट्स ए कोर्स क्लॉथ, कोर्स टंग, कोर्स रोड. इस रास्ते में चलते हो, इट्स कोर्स, रफ. Another example, S-I-T-E, sight, C-I-T-E, sight. Sight, what a wonderful sight. Gulmarg gives a wonderful sight. Another sight, C-I-T-E, sight. Please cite an example. कोई मिसाल दे दो, कोई example दे दो. Cite, C-I-T, cite means reference. So you can well imagine what homophones mean. Same pronunciation, 1 point. Varied spellings and varied, that means different usage of these words in different situations. Now, homographs. You have to remember key pointers while discussing homographs. First point is that they have uniform spellings. They have identical spellings. Their spellings resemble. This is one key point. उनकी spelling मिलती जुलती है. ROSE. This is 1 point. Their pronunciation sometimes is identical, sometimes not. For example, live, 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 live. I will focus on these points. Third point is bank, bank. Same spelling, same pronunciation. But as far as the meaning of these words is concerned, it is quite different. For example, rose is a flower. Just like we have a flower on rose plant. This rose is to rise. He rose to success by hardship. He rose to success by hard work. He rose to success because of working very hard, toiling very hard, laboring very hard. Live. I dwell, live. Live means to dwell, किसी जगह रहना. I live in New York. I live in capital city. I live in suburb area. I live in remote areas of my town. Live. Live means refreshing. Live telecast. Live telecast of PM speech. PM speech देने वाला है, इसकी live telecast. Row and row. Spelling, pronunciation does not resemble at all. Row means to be in a line, in a sequence. Row. When you notice, when you hear, when you listen, discordant music, discordant voices from neighbor's house, or for example in a parliament, when opposition parties and the parties in power, or I mean to say the government, when they fight in the parliament house, there's a commotion, एक हलचल होती है वहाँ. So opposition as well as the treasury benches, the parliament members who are in power, they go for arguments, noise gets created, so that is called row. जब दो आदमी में झगड़ा होता है, we call it row. दो पार्टी में झगड़ा हो जाता है, दो हमसाए में झगड़ा हो जाता है, we call it a row. दो दोस्त में भी झगड़ा हो जाता है, that time we use the word row. Bank and bank. One bank is a financial institution that gives you loan, or where you deposit money. You deposit gold there. So it is एक इदारा होता है, फाइनेंशियल अदारा होता है, जहाँ आप अपना पैसा डिपॉजिट करते हैं या लोन लेते हैं या जहाँ आपसे आपकी तनख्वाह मिलती है. BN की बैंक, सेम स्पेलिंग. In poverty he banked me, means he supported me. Banking someone means to support someone, whether financially or physically. So different, same spelling, pronunciation can't be uniform, sometimes uniform, just like इस word में, and their usage in different situation is quite different. You have to do one thing. You have to go through the dictionary very keenly every day, 5 to 10 minutes, and sort out these homophones and homographs, so that these words would roll like a musical song in your tongue, in your mind as well. Then and only then you can keep the treasure of these homonyms in your mind, because their usage in day-to-day life is also of chief importance. Now, in conclusion, or the concluding note of this lecture is the difference or the contrast between homographs and homophones. In case of homophones, again I will repeat, spelling is different, pronunciation the same, meaning quite different. Now, as far as homographs are concerned, spelling the same, 1 point. Pronunciation sometimes identical, sometimes the same, sometimes not. For example, live and live. And as far as meaning, third point of homographs is meaning is concerned, it is always different. Okay, thanks.